Okay, we're going to do a quick overview of the 120 volt 30 amp electrical system on uh, RVs. So on a 120 volt 30 amp electrical system, first off, this is the TT30 electrical plug that we're talking about on the end of the power cord. But we've got a ground circuit, which is green on this print. We've got a neutral circuit, which is blue on this print, and we've got a line, just a single line of 120 volt power. So we're going through our campground receptacle. We've got a detachable power cord. We've got our 30 amp recept on the side of the trailer. And in this case, we've got a transfer switch. Most 30 amp systems won't have a transfer switch, but we show it here on this print. And then we've got the load center with the 120 volt 30 amp main breaker down here. So on this system, you'll see the neutral comes into a neutral bus bar in the load center, and then the line comes into the 30 amp breaker here on the load center. And then there's some smaller circuit breakers that protect each of the different loads out here. So in this case, this could be an air conditioner, it could be a fireplace, it could be a microwave, a power converter, whatever. But if you notice, if we take a multimeter and we measure between the neutral circuit and the line circuit, we've got 120 volts always. And then what I do want to show here too is this ground circuit that we've got. So the ground circuit picks up earth ground back at the campground recept, and it actually takes, and we connect that frame ground to the transfer case, a transfer switch case. We connect it to the ground bus bar, which actually connects out to the frame of the trailer. So we've got a neutral that goes all the way through. What I do want to say is you never connect an RV to a campground power post, or you never use a RV power cord that has the missing ground terminal on it, because that can create a hot skin issue. Clean and simple, the 120 volt 30 amp RV electrical system.